Hey guys, it's Homicide of Town. This video is about the Schumacher, however you want to pronounce it. This model is the SJ1. This is the newer version. The old version is not that complex as this one. This one is all digital. It comes with 4 USB ports, one 12-volt socket, one AC outlet for our household devices. It has a built-in air compressor, 100 psi. It also has a light that's reversible and it can turn around. And I'm also going to conduct a test on powering a 48-inch plasma TV. And I'm going to show you some other capabilities this thing can do as well. I'm going to flip this thing around, turn it around. It has a fan built in here. It has a fan built on this side as well, on the left and right. This is the air compressor gauge here. It's a smart meter built in there, so it will let you know how much psi you can put in your tire without exploding your tire. These are the gauges for the jumper cables, and also it has different options here. For the USB, you could check the battery, you could turn on the light. As you see, I turned on the light by pushing that button there. It has a blinker on here as well. You could set the PSI. You could turn the PSI up or down, and there's other configurations it has on here as well. That's the AC outlet, and also this one can operate the 12-volt battery as well. So right now I have it on. I'm going to show you guys some things on here. I'm going to plug this television up, but first I'm going to flip this box around. It comes with instructions, and I bought this off, not Amazon, I'm sorry. I checked it on Amazon. It was $120, but that's for the old version. They also got this version on Amazon website, but I got this particular model from Walmart. These are basic household devices, not things too heavy, but it can run things for quite some time. You can perform little basic things like this with it. You can plug up a laptop. I have a laptop sitting there, an HP, and I have some hair liners right there, some clippers, and I have this television here, this 40-inch LG television. With the 48-inch, once I plug that up, this is a 32-inch, but it could power a 48-inch as well. And other devices like a work light, a blender, a grill, one of those George Foreman grills, little stuff like that. And also it says this is good for camping, and it's good to take with you for any emergency situation, because you never know what type of emergency situation you might be in. You might need to jump start your vehicle or put some air in your tire. It's a portable power station pretty much. So now I'm going to plug this television up to this. You're going to hear the fan come on because it's running this television. I also conducted this test, and I'm going to plug this up right now. Show you guys this. Okay. Now that noise is the fans in the back. I'm going to turn it around so you guys can see. There's two fans. The old one have one fan. I checked that particular model out, and this one is far more complex, and got more digital capabilities on here. Now, as you see, it's running this television, and as you see, it's plugged up. You can run like cable boxes and Xbox Ones and all type of stuff off here as well. So I'm going to investigation discovery. Okay, so as you see, it's running this television, 1200 peak amps, and this is perfectly for V8 engines. It's for 4 cylinders as well, but it's good for those monster nice trucks that I like to drive, like the Armadas, the Titans. Is good for tie holes and all type of big V8 engine trucks. So this would definitely turn that big sucker on. And let me know what you guys think about this portable power station, jump starter, air compressor kit. And like I say, I bought it from Walmart. I paid $100 with tax. It was about 115, somewhere around there. And overall, I think it's a nice product to have, you know, and just have a nice little portable power station with you to keep with you. You never know what type of situation you might be in. I know the runtime on here for this television is roughly around about 2 hours. I have conducted the test at first before I performed this video. And also I have used the air compressor, and I set the PSI for 35 pounds of pressure, and it actually stopped, and it read how much pressure I had in there digitally. So it said I had 12 pounds of pressure in my tire, and it picked it up from the 12 and stopped at 35 psi. So I mean, that's a smart device. You don't have to. You can walk away and come back, and your tires will not explode. It will stop putting air in your tires at that exact psi set when you set it. So let me know what you guys think about this device. This is a smart one here. It's the newer version, model SJ1, and there you have it. All right, thanks for watching. Homicide in Town. Post your comments.